Hi everyone, welcome to day 15 of 20 days basic JavaScript challenge. Today we are going to explore a fundamental concept in mathematics and programming, determining whether a number is positive, negative or zero. Let's dive into the code. So I open my code reader and here you can see I already create index.html file, and in this file I write our script tag. In this script tag I write our JavaScript functionality. So first we use a prompt function to get an input from user. So here I write let number variable, and this number variable store input from a user. So here I use a prompt function. With the help of prompt function we get an input from user. So here I write a message to a user, enter a number. So in next step we convert this number into a numeric value, because a prompt function gave a string value. So here I use a number, and then I use parse int, parse float function, and in this function I pass this number. Okay, like that. You can also do this like so. I remove this code, and you can also use here a parse float function and close this, and here I write a prompt and like this. And now it convert this prompt value into a numeric value, and then it's stored into this number. Okay, after that I write a condition to check the number is positive, negative or zero. So here I use a if statement, and in this I write number greater than 0 and then return. So I show the message in the console, so I write a console.log, and here I pass the number is positive. After that I use a as if statement here, as if, and here I pass a condition number smaller than 0, then show a message to a user, console.log, and here I write the number is negative. After that I use a as, and here I pass console.log, the number is 0. So let's understand the code. First we get an input from user, then we convert this input into a numeric and store in this number variable. After that I check this number. If number is greater than 0, then show a message to a user is positive, number is positive. Or if this condition is false, then next statement will be run, and if this statement will be false, then last statement will be run. Okay, so I go to a browser and reload the page. You can see it say enter a number. Here I pass a number like 8. 8 is a positive number. I click on OK, and you can see it cannot give anything, so I reload this. Now I pass a 8, then click on OK, and you can see the number is positive because we enter a 8 positive number. Now again I reload the page, and now I enter a negative number, so I write -15. So again I click on OK, and you can see the number is negative because this time I enter a negative number. And again I reload the page, and now I enter a 0 value and click on OK. You can see it gave the number is 0. So our application worked properly. That's it for today's tutorial. We have learned how to write a JavaScript program to determine whether a number is positive, negative or 0 using if statement. Understanding number sign is a fundamental concept in mathematics and programming. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.